Good morning, children. Let's start our lesson. The aim of the lesson when I was a little. Now, new words. Fanfare, naughty, cute, hero.
When I was little, I was naughty, but I was cute. My favorite place was the fun fair. I went there with my mum and dad. My favorite toy was my drum, and my favorite game was OXO. My favorite animal was my pet dog, Puggy. By Tim.
When I was little, I was funny. My favorite place was the museum. My hero was Einstein. My favorite food was ice cream. And my favorite clothes were my blue shorts. I wore them. By Rob.
When you were little, your favorite food was pizza. When you were little, your favorite color was red. When you were little, your favorite toys were cars. When you were little, your favorite clothes were t-shirts and jeans. When you were little, your favorite hero was Superman. When you were little, your favorite animal was the cheetah. When you were little, your favorite place was the sports center. When you were little, your favorite fairy tale was Aladdin.
When I was little, I was naughty, but I was funny. My favorite place was the theater. I went there with my mum and dad. My favorite food was pizza, and my favorite toys were cars. My favorite animal was my pet cat, Mimi. By